This may look like a table, but it's not. To make it a table, click anywhere in that supposedly table, and then go to the Insert ribbon and click Table. Now it is a table, and it gives you a whole new world when it comes to writing formulas. My formula doesn't say D2 times E2. It says hours times rate. This is a game changer. You need to try this. Making your tables in Excel actual tables will completely change your world. Watch what happens when I press enter. It fills in the formula all the way down. This is just the tip of the iceberg. If you really don't like the way it changes the colors and adds banded rows, you can choose to have no formatting at all, and it looks just the way it did before. Any data that I'm working with in Excel is in a true table because it has improved my formulas, the complexity that I can have. My plan is to release a bunch of videos about formulas in Excel, but I need to set as a baseline that I do that always with true tables. It's simply insert table. Please leave me a comment and let me know. Do you already use tables? Are you interested in learning more about using tables? It would be really helpful if you like and subscribe.